Good morning and welcome to Travelling Everard. We've just come up to Edinburgh for a 4-day break and we're staying at the Dawston B&B, which is about 20 minutes walk to the city centre in the old town. It's actually really nice. So I'll give you a quick room tour. We pick our breakfast each morning. I'll show you some footage of that as well. But yeah, you can see they've got these very high ceilings. Ooh, I need to unlock the door. But yeah, it's definitely a lot milder today. It's going to be up to about 8 degrees. We have had some really cold weather, even down in the south of England. It was -8 one morning. But yeah, you can see it's quite a nice, grand place. Quite a lot of detail up in the ceiling there. The fire alarm went off at 3 o'clock this morning. Someone had lit a candle, so I've had a bit of a disturbed night's sleep. But yeah, this is the food choices that we have. So, gone for the apple juice, fruit bowl and a bacon and egg roll for tomorrow morning, so I'll show you that tomorrow. That on the floor. And yeah, this is our room, number 4. Emily's eating haggis roll. But yeah, so you can see it's very high ceilings in here, and we've got a bath and a shower, so I've already had a bath this morning. But yeah, I'm very pleased. Very good value for money. I'll put the price that we paid in the video as well. But yeah, we're going to go up Arthur's Seat this morning. So yeah, I'm out of breath because I'm unfit.
I'm going to take a slow walk down and onto her.
I'm not going to open the door now, she's mugged me off.
I thought it'd be Millie, so I was like, oh, it's very warm in here.
Cool, it's absolutely roasting. Do you know the thermostat's down there?
Okay, turn it on.
Oh, is it? Yeah. I think when I went, it was on.
It's just on the left.
Yeah, I'll put it on 2 for now. Cool, it's unbelievably hot in here. What did you think of your breakfast?
Is it alright?
Yeah.
He thought it was too early.
Too early for breakfast.
Let's set an alarm to wake up in time.
I didn't really fancy eating haggis at 8:30 in the morning.
Not a good idea at the time.
That's why you order normal food.
Yeah, I've ordered bacon tomorrow. Should we get a drink from the shops then? Actually cold.
It's quite cold.
It's not cold enough for. I don't know why I left my coat in the room.
I've got it up.
I'll be on, right. I'm alright. So Arthur's Seat is in Holyrood Park, which is just up there to the right, I think. But these are the Pollock Halls. This is Edinburgh University campus here. That building there is really nice. It's like a Gothic sort of church, Gothic castle sort of shape. But if you want to come here during the Fringe Festival to Edinburgh, the prices for accommodation is really expensive, so you're better off staying at the university campus, so the rooms are a lot cheaper. So this here, we're going to do a right here, but this here is the Royal Commonwealth Pool here in Edinburgh. It's got quite a big gym as well, you can see. But yeah, the pool's quite impressive. in another video we'll be going into the old town, which is down that way. So you can see the gym parts in there. It's a massive pool, isn't it?
Snowdon's 3 hours up and back.
Yeah, Snowdon's a million times harder than this. It's like a walk,
Yeah, should we
apparently.
get sticks?
Yeah. So this is the start of Holyrood Park. Do you reckon Millie should go back if she's tired?
Go into beast mode and click so yes.
Sometimes I think I could do the
Yeah, but then sometimes I think I could.
We talked about being a sea. So the path is.
So by the looks of it, top of Arthur Seat is 251 metres up, so not too high, but it's quite a steep incline actually. So you're going to see me well out of breath by the time I get to the top. So there used to be two paths, you used to be able to get up to there as well. I'll show you in a minute, but they've blocked it off now. There's too many rocks were coming down and end up becoming a bit treacherous. But you can see the city of Edinburgh already, but we're going to get a very good view once we get up to the top. Quite a few people cycle up here as well. Start on the steps. Oh. We made it. Yeah, I wish. You're getting a good view already. So there's the water out. It's blowing already, we're not even up there yet. Actually looks really steep, doesn't it? Why am I doing this for? There's a little bit of snow left, I think.
Yeah.
That way, with the steps. Let's do this. I'm only up about 50 metres, I'm out of breath. Where have they gone? Up there already? Oh. She's ditched her boyfriend. So, we're nearly at the top now, but you can see the castle over there. It's where we're staying. And that's Hibs football ground you can see over there. touch more with my ankle really. Although it's held up alright. So I've just read that Arthur's Seat is the highest hill that forms part of Holyrood Park, and it's 335 million years old. It's a former volcano, it's a dormant volcano. It's pretty impressive actually. But we're going to go and walk into the city centre now, probably grab a hot drink because it's absolutely freezing up here. And I didn't bother bringing a coat. Not even them.